Welcome to today's video, guys. Right now I am on my way to Yashio factory to see what Oka-chan is up to today. But that aside, I just want to tell you, hang out to the end of this video because I have a very important announcement to make involving a giveaway on the channel. So make sure you don't miss that. I'm pretty excited about it. But that aside, let's pick it up when we get to Yashio factory. Yo, he got some new wheels. Oh my God, that completely transforms the car. Way better. All right. Let's see what he's up to today. Looks like everyone's pretty busy. Yutta, nani suru no?
Oil cooler.
Oil cooler? Installing a nice oil cooler kit. Looks like a nice HKS one. These are really good, worth their money because they also come with a thermostat oil filter block. What's really good about this is even when it's cold in winter, the thermostat won't let the oil actually travel through the cooler until it gets to a certain temperature, which I believe is around the 70-80 degrees mark. So that way your engine oil is not too cold. If you just have an oil cooler hooked up, that may be fine for a track car when you're beating on it non-stop, but when you're on a street car, it's actually really important to have that thermostat because cold oil can actually be bad for your engine and cause damage. So anyways, it's pretty cool, really nice looking 180. Looks pretty nice too. I don't see any rust under there actually. That's actually really good. Usual like kind of seal stuff from people jacking it up in the wrong places, but otherwise this is a really clean 180SX. Kind of jealous. Need to get myself a 180 at some point. Taking a quick moment to tell you about today's video sponsor, which is Lucky Labo. And if you don't know who they are a specialty retail solution for authentic JDM goods with laser focus on the Silvia and Skyline platforms. They sell a bunch of vintage, authentic, and quirky items that highlight and show reverence for history and inspire owners to be unique. One of those items I have over here that I want to show you on the S15, so let's check it out. These are called the Swing Hand Pop, and if you know anything about Japanese car culture, you know that these are only sold in Japan. But the best thing is Lucky Labo are the only authorized international dealers for these, so they have tons of these in stock at all times, and I'm going to quickly set one up and show you how sick they are. Also, they smell like melon soda, which is just absolutely awesome. Just got this thing set up out of the pack, and look at this guy already wanting to wave. And then you can just stick her on your window just like that. Now, the best thing is you've got two mounting orientations on these, so you can go sideways, you can go on the top, depending on how your car is. But the best thing is it just moves on the inertia of your car. Now, generally, you're supposed to install these on the inside of your car, but a lot of people over here also put them on the outside of the car because, you know, you never know when you're hitting the shotoko and you want to have something here so that when the police are chasing you, you can be like, bye-bye, police. But of course, I don't want this thing to weather bad outside, so I've put it back inside the car, and I think it's perfect to be there on the passenger window because as I'm flying past someone and I chop them, they know what's up. Bye-bye. I love this product a lot because it's super simple and it's something that's been in Japanese car culture for the longest time. So head to luckylabo.com, get yourself one of these and check out some of the other projects. And don't forget to support the companies that support me. And thank you so much, Lucky Labo, for sponsoring this video. I would not be able to do the things that I'm doing today without their support. I've just picked up everyone's hoodies from the order, and don't worry, for anyone that missed out, Oka-chan is going to be restocking them, so keep an eye on my Instagram for that. But he is here and he wants to say something special to you guys. Spend a bit of time practicing, but I think it's the thought that counts, right?
Hey guys! Thank you for buying a lot of Yashio Factory hoodie!
すごいありがとう I can't stop laughing. There was so much emphasis on that. めっちゃ元気ですよね So like full of energy. All right, with that aside, guys, I'm gonna head home. I've got everyone's orders. We're gonna ship everything tomorrow, and then it'll be good. He doesn't want you to see his teleprompter. Just cruising on my way home, and check out what my iPhone's doing now. Can't even see half of the screen anymore. I have no idea what happened. I think it's because it's a non-genuine screen. If you guys remember in the USA when I was building the Miata engine, the air compressor bracket that I was bolting onto the side of the block fell off and landed on my iPhone. It destroyed the screen. So the shop that repaired it over there, they put in whatever screen they had, and I think it's just failed because there's no cracks in it. I didn't drop it or anything like that. It just started doing this randomly while I was at Yashio factory. So, oh well, I'm gonna order another screen tonight off Amazon to fix it. But now I have an excuse to get the new one, so I'm kind of happy. It is now the next day, and what is today, babe?
It's Pocky Day.
Yes, it's officially Singles Day here in Japan. They have a special day when it's 11/11/1111. It's Pocky Day, Singles Day. What's the meaning of it? Just to celebrate your single?
No, you buy Pocky and play Pocky game.
Yeah, yes, you're supposed to play Pocky game. Yeah,
No,
that's
I don't
right.
think what it
and you're
means.
supposed to
I
put
don't
one
think
end
that's
in
what
your
it
mouth and then go up to a girl and hope that she'll start
No,
eating at
okay.
that end,
No,
and then you meet in the
that's-
middle, and
I might have lied.
then you get married, and then good times. Yeah.
So you got 1111.
Yeah, it's
You're
my
most-
birthday today. Let's just pull that out of the hat.
Most single person.
I'm the most single person apparently.
I'm what? 3/4 single.
But you're also 111.
That's what I just said. Yeah. Anyways, let's move on.
That aside,
Cutting off
it's very hard to fit us both in frame. This must be what it feels like when you're vlogging, right?
Exactly.
Because I'm like super tall, yeah. Anyways, this part of the video is already awkward, but it is my birthday today, and that is nothing to do with what we're doing here. I just think it's funny because I'm like announcing a giveaway on my birthday. But as you guys know, I've been working with Link ECU now for a very long time, and they're my favorite aftermarket ECU product. And it's a product I stand behind. By no means is this sponsored or anything by them. This is just something that I wanted to do for you guys, and I thought it was something really, really cool that we could give away that is worth something really good to my audience. Because I know all of you guys have project cars and stuff like that, and generally a lot of people struggle to get the right ECU solution. So what I'm going to be giving away on the channel is a full Link aftermarket ECU package. Not just the ECU, but a lambda kit, which monitors your AFRs and everything, and it allows you to have closed loop lambda enabled, so the ECU will monitor your air fuel ratio, and you can make sure everything's all good there. You can set up safety parameters and stuff. It'll come with an air intake temperature sensor and the accessories wiring loom, so pretty much it'll come with everything you need for your car. And how this is going to work is just like previous giveaways with what we did with the Miata. Every 500 yen spent on the online store will get you the Link ECU, will get you an entry to win the Link ECU package, right? Now this is just worldwide. Anyone that purchases anything, we're going to do a draw and everything on a live stream. It's only going to last for 1 week. So this video is going live on the 12th of November, the day after my birthday. And after 1 exact week, so what is it, Thursday tomorrow, right? Yeah, Thursday tomorrow. So Thursday next week, my time at midnight, the giveaway will end and we'll do a live stream and do the draw, and you guys will get to see how it's all done, and it's going to be awesome. Don't worry as well, this is just the Link ECU kit for my S15. Depending on who wins, we're going to work out what car you have and get you the best solution. Whether that's a plug-in ECU kit or a full aftermarket one, that'll be completely up to what you have and what Link has available for your car. So I'm pretty excited to be doing this. I don't think I've seen many other YouTubers give away Link aftermarket, any aftermarket ECU packages like this. So I'm pretty hyped. You know, you look so funny holding all that, but I appreciate your enthusiasm and your effort.
I'm trying to make it look
in the comment
there.
section.
And I was just, I
Write us a
realized
comment
I was
for
after
Maze
this, and
Evan.
I'm like,
He's like, you're holding it like a
baby.
baby.
And
Yeah.
I'm like, I'm gonna stop that.
Go grab the Garrett Turbo if you want to hold a baby. Actually don't, because it's on like the top shelf over there, and she grabs it, it'll fall down.
Yes.
But yeah, anyways guys, that's me officially announcing this. I am going to probably be doing a second draw prize as well, which is just going to be like a bunch of really cool merch and things like that. But for now, I hope you guys are pumped. Get on it, sammit.net/shop. Like I said, every 500 yen spent will get you an entry into winning a full Link aftermarket ECU package for your car. I cannot stress this enough, but when you're building a project car, why waste all the money you're investing in it by not putting a good ECU to run everything that has a bunch of safety parameters in there? And I love the Link package. I love how simple it is to use, and in my opinion, I think it is the best aftermarket ECU solution there. So anyways, that aside, guys, we're going to get on with the video now. In every video from here out, I will be talking about, don't miss out on your chance to win this. Like I said, sammit.net, go get some merch. Every 500 yen spent gets you the chance to win a Link ECU aftermarket package for your car. All right, let's get on with the vlog. Just came outside and it looks like the tires have arrived that we ordered for the Mini, which means that's pretty, no, that is not my birthday present. My birthday present actually from May was really nice Burton jacket and the hat that I'm wearing.
I thought it was just a broken jacket.
And there was something else. I can't remember now. Oh, the little tile thing. By the way, guys, this is our new van. We picked this up today. We're gonna go to IKEA and get some tabletops to build the dream computer desks for ourselves. We're gonna build 2 of them. It's gonna be great. This is my second Toyota now. First Toyota being a Chaser. This is very hard to do all one-handed with my left hand. Here. It's not the most comfortable thing to drive. It's automatic at least, so I don't have to do any work, which is nice. But yeah, what do you guys think? What do you think? Do you like this? A lot of room in the back for activities.
It's very echoey.
Echo! Not really, it's not that bad. I think it's pretty good though. It's nice and spacious.
Spacious.
You can go camping in it. Ignore the Toyota rent-a-car tag. That's not true.
We're just.
Why am I using my left hand for this? Just hold the camera with your left hand, Sam. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Hey lads, we're just I must look ridiculous driving this thing.
I wish I can show you
The fitment of Sam inside the car is definitely not ideal. But hey, it's working. Like my knee hurts from just smashing up against the dash here. But we're good. This thing doesn't really have much power, like my foot's flat to the floor. I think there's a speed limiter in this. It won't let me go any faster. Oh, it's not even fast enough for the fast lane here in Japan. Anyways, gonna pick it up when we get to IKEA. We're gonna hang out with PewDiePie there, eat some Swedish meatballs, you know.
Are you sure you should? Anyways.
Swedish meatballs. Everyone loves jam and meat, right? Yeah. Look at that view, guys. Tokyo Bay.
This is what I have prepared for you for your birthday.
No, just shut up and drive over Tokyo Bay Bridge. Get out of here. Rainbow Bridge, right? I don't know.
Rainbow Bridge だと思う. Right now turns red if there's too much COVID cases in Japan.
Oh, that's right. It does. Hey. Yeah. Isn't that crazy that they do that?
It's a very nice day.
Very nice day. Up here we're passing the Star Trek Enterprise building. It literally kind of looks like it. See, look, doesn't it look like the Starship Enterprise? Star Trek Enterprise ship thing? Look at it.
Star Trek? I don't think you got the name right.
What are you
You're
talking
talking
about?
about Iron Man's one, right?
No, Star Trek, the Enterprise.
Was it like that?
Or Discovery, whichever. I don't know.
Okay, well, it doesn't fit in the frame.
It doesn't really look like it anymore. No, mate, I'm talking about the big round building. The big round building. The one that looks like a spaceship. Did that really just happen? Miami.
Now it makes sense.
Now it makes sense? What building were you looking at? What building looks like a spaceship here?
I thought it was the long one.
We have successfully arrived at Felix's house here in Japan. Babe, do you want to buy a shark? This is too cute to ignore. Look at it. You can set up little sharks at the table. They could be our pretend children. We could put them at our dinner table in the spare seats. And then, no, okay. Don't you think sharks are cute? Look at them. See, look.
They're meant to be eaten.
They're meant to be eaten?
Okay,
Look, just hold that.
Oh no, I don't like stuffies.
Oh yeah, you're petrified of plushies.
With faces on. No.
Why is that? What movie was it? Gremlins? Gremlins really freaked her out in her childhood. So we don't actually need to go shopping and pick out our items at IKEA at all today. We're just here to pick them up. Believe it or not, we couldn't get anything delivered from this store to our house because it's about an hour and a half away on the other side of Tokyo. And this was the only IKEA store that had the tabletops that we needed. We got all the other parts we needed to build our desk from the IKEA that was close to our house, and they were able to deliver it. But for some reason, if it's not the closest store, they won't deliver it to you. So go figure. Anyways, we're gonna go pick it up at the pickup section here, load it in the van, probably eat a few hot dogs, ice cream, Swedish meatballs, and then we'll then head back home. Well, Toyota Van-chan, today was good. It was nice owning you for all but 6 hours. It was pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, off the line, it's pretty peppy. I think I'd beat a lot of drag, like in a drag race, I'd beat a lot of cars off the line. It would then be 0.05 seconds after that that they would destroy me. So, but as long as I get them off the line, that means I win, right? I don't know what I'm saying. But anyways, guys, it was fun. We did a bunch of running around. We picked up IKEA desks. I'll show them and the whole building process of those. They're actually gonna be like the best desks that you can build from IKEA that are also very affordable. Like they're 2 meters long. They're an amazing desk. Anyways, that aside, yeah, that video on the desk so will be on the SAMMIT Raw channel. So if you aren't subbed to that yet, go sub. But yeah, we're gonna go return this. We're late. Hopefully they don't scream at us and charge too much money. And I'll pick it up after that. Well, today kind of became a huge write-off for me. I don't know where all my time went, but somehow IKEA and running around and the chores and stuff, just way more time than anticipated was wasted there. And it's funny how the older I get, the more and more I don't really care about my birthday. It's just another normal day where I do a bunch of running around and chores and stuff like that. It's definitely not what I remember it being when I was like in my teenage years, you know what I mean? And I probably sound really old talking like this, but it's the truth. I don't even know, man. But today was obviously my birthday. Being able to spend it with May and have some quality time there was great, even though we were just running around a lot. But still, nonetheless, I hope you enjoyed our crazy shenanigans and what was happening behind the scenes and kind of just giving you an insight there. But that aside, I'm really excited about this Link ECU package giveaway that I am doing. It's something I've been thinking about doing for a while now. Like, obviously, I want to do like another car build and a big giveaway like that. But the state that the world's in right now and kind of like where I am based and internationally and things like that is just not viable, or I'm not really able to do it yet. And I really like the shop is something that I will obviously need for that as well. But that aside, obviously we're now able to do things like this Link ECU package giveaway. It's something that's easy for me to ship, and I'm just really hyped about it, quite frankly. And I always preach how important it is to have really good computer like engine management, and to be able to provide this to one of you lucky guys who has like a project car or a track car and something that you're going to be able to protect your investment with it. I think it's just it's really good because it's just something that I preach a lot to you guys. So being able to actually give something like that to you, I don't know how to get my point across, but I think you get it. So anyways, guys, I hope you're excited. Once again, head to sammit.net. Every 500 yen you spend is one entry, and I won't be doing double entries or anything like that towards the end. The entries and the giveaway will stay the same through the entirety of it. It's going to last for 1 week, Thursday midnight, Japan time. So don't miss out on that. I'll put all the information on the website. The winner must have a car, by the way. You must own a car to win it. It is worldwide, and it's just a simple giveaway. It's pretty much just a full Link ECU package, and I hope you guys are pumped. With that, guys, I'm going to see you in tomorrow's vlog. Like button, comment, subscribe. I'll see you then. Tell me in the comment section before I go, what is your project car and what would you like to see that Link ECU powering? Peace out, guys. Ciao, mata.